Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the cropping video tutorial on CapCut PC. So if you guys are wondering how you can crop your video on CapCut PC, it's basically so easy. You just need to import your clips, and then here you can see there is original text in here. If you haven't changed the format of your video, just click on this original, and then this you can see there are so many format that you can change or crop your video into. So let's say this video is in the I think 16 by 9, and let's say I want to change it into a 9 by 16. So I'm going to just click on this, and you can see there are space here, and if you want to crop so that the video fits into this ratio here or this format, just click on the clips and then drag this circle like this, and then your video will be cropped accordingly. So like this until it fits the format, and you can also drag it or swipe it left or right to make the object in the center like so. So the video will be cropped like that. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.